This is our project 4. It's a fading light. Fading light means the LED will be glowing or fading. That's it. So this is the simple connection. As we know that LED blinking, this is a simple connection. And here is as per the circuit diagram we have connected. See this breadboard and one 220 ohm resistor, one LED bulb, and 2 wires we need. As per circuit diagram I have connected. Now so the percentage of this length of the high voltage and low voltage according to the value of this analog light function. So now I'll show you how to work on this. See, this is the project 4. This is the project 4 fading LED, and first we have to verify this whether it is correct or not. See, this is correct only, no error. So now I am uploading to this board. It's uploaded successfully. Now we can see this how it is working. See, this LED is fading and glowing. See. Thank you.